Hello guys, good morning guys. I hope you are good, fit and fine at this time. Because because actually we are gonna to and teach and we are gonna to practice English and every day. And this video for only the beginners. You can speak English is very well because and because I would like to myself because I wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Then I went for the take a shower and then it's wearing clothes and this is how I am looking, you guys. How are you guys? How are you? And you can practice with Anil and this is my channel, the Speak English with Anil. So because actually I'm gonna to teach, I'm gonna do the practice English and every day because I'm so very happy right now. So actually the first video I made for you. So how was guys? You are very interested. So very interested guys. I hope very interested and you have to watch my videos and because in every day because and this is the most welcome to my YouTube channels once again and my channel name is Speak English with Anil. And every day I want to speak English with you guys. You will join me and this is you can practice and every day because English language is global language. Do you know? Yes, absolutely do you know. So let's get started on this video. Hi guys, my name is Anil Mourya. I am from Ayodhya. Actually I am living in New Delhi. So very excited guys today because actually I'm learning English practice. So guys, I know everything guys. While speaking you are stuck. Suddenly, you know, what are the reasons you have? You should remove your mind. This is my suggestion you guys to all. Whatever you have vocabularies, whatever your the grammar, vocabularies, so everything. And you should practice every day. Right? I know that you are the beginners. But you shouldn't start your English. Why? What is the reason you can't speak English? This is the main reasons you can't speak English and you don't want to speak. You feeling shy. You have hesitation. Please remove all these your mind always guys. After that you will speak English properly. I recommend to you guys all and you should start from today. Don't afraid to anyone and don't feel to anyone and you should and make you the strong your body and keep it always your mind fresh. So after that is to speak English. Please for you. I hope you are good, fit and fine right now. So because and these days I'm practicing English and in this blog. So how is in this video? I hope you will like in this video and watch on the tail end. And very excited guys. Wow. And this weather is so wonderful today. You know, sunrise and it's 8 a.m. and this time. Wow, it's very nice. Very interested. Do you know? Very interested in this video? Please like and subscribe in this channel. And these days guys I'm practicing English to how to speak English. Actually my journey was very difficult. Actually I am not able to speak English properly. Actually I afraid to anyone. I don't go to outdoor and no speaking. Actually I have to observed everything here. I don't afraid anyone. I can speak anyone. And these days practice English and every day because guys, you can speak English and you should practice. Please, I give the one tips for you, and this is very important for you guys, and you should speak English from today. Don't hide your talent. You have a lot talent. Put your mind, but you don't want to expose your mind. Why? What are the reason? I know about yours. Please tell me. This is the main reason you have. What is the reason? I tell you guys. Hesitation, feel shy. Please remove your mind. Whatever you have vocabularies, and you should practice and every day, guys. Please. And you should listen English conversation and watch movie and reading, writing. So everything you have. So after that, you will speak English to anyone. I'm today's very excited to be here right now. So I just came in the room. And every day I'm making video on YouTube as well, Facebook. So guys, I hope you understand my tips. Please, once again I suggest you guys, you should speak English, and you should starting from today. This is my guarantees. You can speak English properly. And this video only for beginners, and you are very interested in this video, please like and share. And this video goes to the very long. I would like to stop in this video. We will meet you the next video, guys. I hope you will understand. Today is very excited, and suddenly the wind is blowing. His weather is very sweet, wonderful. So guys, we will meet you the next video. Please watch and tell in this video. And don't forget, hit bell icon so that you will get notifications on. Bye bye guys, and take care. Bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.